Which dashcam is for you? We're looking at a couple of 70mm cameras in this video to see which one fits your lifestyle and needs. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. I've been finding myself a lot on the road lately, and this makes you appreciate tech in your car more and more. One essential gadget I think we now should all have in our cars: dash cams. But how do you find the perfect one? I got you. In this video, we'll be checking out a number of 70mm dash cams perfect for many different use cases, from the budget conscious to those who just want something that'll work, to even the tech-forward driver. I have a dash cam for you. And this comes right in time for the holidays, so for those of you passenger princesses out there, this might just be the perfect gift to the driver in your life. Also because there are Christmas deals coming up for these 70mm dash cams and even festive packaging. But before we start, a quick shout out to 70mm for sending over these cameras and partnering with me on this video so we can make it happen. Thanks guys! Let's get to the unboxings. Let's start with what 70mm claims to be the world's best-selling dual dashcam. This is the 70mm A500S, and it's pretty cool because it's a bundle. It comes with a rear cam. So what are the top 3 features of the 70mm A500S? So first of all, this thing comes with a 1944p HD resolution and the Sony IMX335 sensor. This means you're getting better quality than your usual 1080p, and it also automatically adjusts exposure, which is important because then you'd be better able to capture those plate numbers or road signs on video. These cameras are also pretty wide. That's 270 degrees POV. So that means you're seeing everything front and back. Again, it's a bundle. It's a front and rear camera. This camera also has better low light performance because of that 1.8 aperture, and it has features that maximize the footage regardless of the different lighting conditions. Okay, so what type of driver should you give this dash cam to? Honestly, this is such a well-rounded product. Basically, if you're thinking of which dash cam to buy, this is the one you look at. This is a good choice because you get a lot of the great features, most of the stuff this webcam will cover. I see why it sells like hotcakes. The next dashcam is the entry-level 70mm M300. I'm a little excited for this because it comes in a pink box. So what are the top 3 features of this camera? First off, you know it. I love that it comes in these cute colors. So I have the rose gold, but this also comes in a navy and a gray. It also have 1296p resolution and 3D noise reduction tech so that your footage comes out clearer. And not only that, you get parking surveillance mode and time-lapse recording. Who is it for? Who should you gift this to? I'd say get this if you want a more straightforward dashcam. Those who are not so tech-savvy but need something that will work, this is the dashcam to look at. Also, if you're someone who's picking up their very first dashcam or someone who's just venturing into your dashcam journey, this is the one to get. This next dashcam shoots in 4K. Think about that. Imagine that not all smartphones these days even shoot in 4K, and yet this does. This is a 70mm 4K A810. And not only does it shoot in 4K, it also reps a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. That's pretty good. Let's unbox. Right, top 3 features of this dashcam. You guessed it, it does shoot in 4K like I mentioned earlier. And of course, that Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. This means you get top-tier video footage like those license plates. Say no more, you're gonna have all those details. This thing also has My Color Vivid Plus solution, which is 70mm's in-house technology, which means, again, better image quality. And okay, wait up, I couldn't help myself because this dashcam boasts great image quality. I wanted to try it out for myself, so time for a little dash camera test. Here are some footage from the dashcam itself. Other features include dual channel recording, which means that you can connect a rear camera. So what we just unboxed had a rear camera included in the setup, and that is what we installed in the car, so you could see both front and back. Again, this means you see everything. And also that rear camera is a 1080p camera, so you get 4K up front and 1080p on the back. That's pretty good. On this thing, there's also 70mm night owl vision, which means better low light footage. And this camera reps a 1.8 aperture. Again, better low light performance. We saw that in the sample footage I shot. There are also AI recording features. So for example, it's able to recognize suspicious human activity all around your vehicle and it will automatically start recording. There's a built-in G sensor which detects collisions and then it will automatically record. Honestly, really cool parking monitoring features. This is definitely going to be useful while parking your car. And this is important because stuff easily gets lost in a lot of the things that dash cams record, but emergency footage shot like that are automatically saved on a separate folder, which means you can easily find them. So who is the 70mm A810 for? This dash cam is great if you want to shoot actual vlogs with your dash cam footage because 4K. Okay, I'm kidding, but you totally can. But really, if you pay particular attention to video quality or you just want the best of the best in terms of what the tech industry can offer, you might want to look at this dash cam. This one is a favorite. Have you ever seen a dashcam that rotates? Well, you're about to. We're unboxing the 70mm Dashcam Omni, and this sets a new standard in dashcam tech. Or at least that's what they claim, so let's unbox and see for ourselves. So what are the top 3 features of the Dashcam Omni? Number 1, of course, that 360 design. So in total, it can rotate 340 degrees. That means you're seeing everything. Aside from that 340-degree swivel design, you get a 140-degree field of view. That's so wide. You're seeing everything at this point. That also actually means there are no blind spots. This does 1080p footage, 60 FPS, so everything's smooth and clear. And also, this reps an aperture of 1.5, which means, you guessed it, better low light quality. There is also, of course, AI motion detection. Just like the previous camera, this uses AI to detect activities around the car, and it decides if the activity is a little sketchy, it then will start recording. There's also collision detection, which will start recording when it senses a collision, and time-lapse recording. Who is the 70mm Dashcam Omni for? If you're the type who likes trying out new things and new features and new stuff that comes out in the market, this might be for you. It's a really fun cam, I promise you. Right, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about all the dash cams we featured. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know what other videos you'd want me to shoot with these dash cams. If you want me to try out a specific one, comment down below. All details on pricing and availability for these dash cams I will put in the description box. Also reminding everyone that there will be Christmas promos for these dash cams, so check them out. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.